Hello, so today we're going to go through the H&R Reading and Writing, and this was originally done August 25th. So if you go there, you can see the button there. I click on that, it takes me to here, H&R diagrams, the H&R star paragraph assignment. And here you can see our first thing was we need to get a star from the charts that was not from our VLab stars. And we are collecting this information. If it's easier, there's a paper copy, there's an e-copy of this organizational table if you don't want to make a copy of this whole big slideshow. So here's the organizational table. And then because you might be working at home you might be working at home. I made this picture right here on the document so we can see it better. I did make this as large as I can get it by going Control Plus. So you can see 175 is too big. I can't see the whole picture at one time. So I made it 150% so I could still see at least the whole width of the picture, but not the whole length of the picture. So when I look at here, I see the different stars and I can see a lot of different things here. So remember, Betelgeuse was one of them that we could not use. So Betelgeuse is the one I used in my example paragraph. If I come back to my H&R diagram here, I can see my example paragraph is on slide, there you go, slide 7. And that shows you how I took just that little bit of information here and wrote a at least 200 word paragraph with it. So I'm going to use Betelgeuse as my example because you're not allowed to use that one. So Betelgeuse, what is its temperature? Well, I'm going to scroll down. When I scroll down, I'm going to see that its temperature is over 3,000. And each of these tick marks is 1,000. So that's 3,000. That's 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000. There's 20,000, 30,000. So it was right about here. I can give an estimate around approximately 3,200, 3,200, whatever. Point is that you're estimating. What is its spectral? I believe the second one is spectral type. That's going to be these letters. It is clearly an M-type spectral. My next question, flipping back, temperature. My temperature, I did temperature first. Spectral type, then temperature. Okay, I flipped them around. Color, that color, red. Betelgeuse is a red star. Next question, mass. If I'm choosing a very large star, so a giant or a supergiant, or a very small star like Sirius B or Pricron B, I can look up the mass. It's the only ones I'm letting you look up the mass. When you look up the mass, you want it compared to the sun. So all these here that are on the main sequence stars, the mass is here in the light purple. And so if you are doing ARCMAR, you can say that it is 6 times the mass of the sun. If it's somewhere in between, give your best estimate. Next one, radius. Radius are these diagonal bars right here. 1 solar radius means it's about the same radius as the sun. 10 solar radius is about 10 times larger than the sun by radius. And so again, if it's somewhere halfway in between, you're going to go ahead and make that estimate. That is going to be the end of the first part of this video because I can only do the 5-minute videos. So that gets us through most of this, and we will continue with another video.